everyone, Kim from Mommycosm.com here. So, has the plague hit your house yet? I'm waving a white flag of surrender over here. The latest victim in our house is our 6-year-old son Charlie. He seems to have gotten a virus that's camping out in his lungs and just doesn't want to go away. In true blogger fashion, I'm taking the opportunity to review a new cough syrup. It's called Maty's All Natural Cough Syrup, and this is a caramel banana taste. It's made by a mom for her son, and it has great natural ingredients such as it has cinnamon, which promotes healthy breathing, apple cider vinegar, which promotes healthy mucus flow, cayenne pepper, which aids in circulation, and sea salt naturally neutralizes toxins in the body, just to name a few. It sounds wonderful, and I always gravitate towards natural products for the kids anyway, so it's a great fit for me. Now, when it comes to kids, my theory is that any medicine you can get them take is a godsend. My kids tend to fight me if it's not a yummy flavored liquid or masked to look like candy. They give me a hard time. So this was a true test to see if this product would really be great for kids. I took a video of Charlie's first reaction when taking the syrup. Check it out. Is your cough bothering you? I'm tired. Yeah. You want to try some new cough syrup? Yeah. What kind of syrup is it?
Cough syrup, caramel banana taste.
That sounds interesting. Yeah.
That sounds yummy too.
It does sound yummy. Alright. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Take it on. No, you don't sip it. You just go, wah. Does it taste yummy? You want to lick the spoon?
It might get me really. Does it taste like banana bread? It tastes like caramel banana.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.